सो हुस्न जहां की जिंदगी में एक और बड़ा इम्पोर्टेंट कैरेक्टर है जो कि उसका मेकअप आर्टिस्ट सुल्तान. सो
Funny
हमें
you speak about that.
व्हाई
A lot, not nobody's spoken about that yet.
बिकॉज इट्स वेरी इंट्रीगिंग कि उसका जवान बच्चा मर गया है और उसकी बीवी बेटी उसके पास आती है यू नो लुकिंग फॉर सॉलेस के यार कि मेरा बाप मुझे गले लगाएगा और बोलेगा कि अच्छा कोई बात नहीं तुम्हारा भाई मर गया है या प्यार करेगा. एंड ही सेज हुस्न जहां भी तो मर गई थी.
Yeah.
So that's kind of a big deal, yeah. You lose your only son, yet you're thinking about this actress that you used to work for. So
Yeah.
it obviously there's a lot more there than
Yeah.
what meets the eye.
Yeah, yeah. Well, obviously you'll get to find out a lot more when you watch the drama, but Husn Jahan वो सिर्फ Husn Jahan नहीं थी सुल्तान के लिए. It was much more than that. She was the person, not even just a woman, she was the person for him. तो वो सुल्तान ने हुस्न जहां को इतना रुतबा दिया हुआ था कि when she died, everything kind of ended for him. So at that point, it just became numb. And also, I think आगे obviously unravel करेंगे story properly, लेकिन he was never actually in love with his wife either. You know what I mean? So I think that's one of the other reasons as well कि उसने अपने आप को numb कर लिया था. When I understand कि obviously it's his only son and obviously it should have affected him more. मुझे भी इस चीज़ का काफी हुआ था कि okay, but I think he puts Husn Jahan above everything, which is obviously probably not right, but that's what he
No,
was.
but that's understandable. But ये बताएं कि सुल्तान की जिंदगी में तो हुस्न जहां एक बहुत बड़ा मुकाम रखती है. हुस्न जहां की जिंदगी में सुल्तान का क्या मुकाम है?
Sultan was very dear. Husn Jahan के बहुत करीब था वो and she adored him to bits as well. लेकिन I think बाकी चीजें अभी unravel होंगी. I feel like I don't want to say too much.
But ये इस relationship के ऊपर भी clarity हमें मिलेगी is what I'm trying to ask. मैं
Yeah.
details नहीं पूछ रहा.
Yeah.
But ये गुत्थी सुलझेगी या
Oh
नहीं?
yeah, definitely सुलझेगी. बहुत clear हो जाएगा. It'll show कि हुस्न जहां का क्या रुतबा था सुल्तान की जिंदगी में, सुल्तान क्या मायने रखता था हुस्न जहां की जिंदगी में. Everything will be very clear, but slowly, everything's gonna open up.
You know, as viewers,
Yeah.
And I can only speak of myself, and I'm sure जो देख रहे हैं शायद वो बेहतर बता सके. You know, Alif does have a lot of impact on you.
Yes.
In the sense that I was just telling you off camera कि यार बड़े लेंदी scenes होते हैं जिसमें characters आपस में बातें कर रहे हैं. Typically you'll get bored. कि यार क्या एक बुढ़ा आदमी एक जवान से बात कर रहा है या एक माँ अपने बच्चे से बातें कर रही है.
Exactly.
बट अगर आप उसको ड्रामे को गौर से देख रहे हैं और शौक से देख रहे हैं तो वो चीजें आपको बड़ी मजे की लगती हैं.
That is true, yeah.
तो व्यूअर पे जब इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग इम्पैक्ट है, आप जब प्ले कर रही थी हुस्न जहां, आपको क्या फील हुआ, आपके ऊपर कैसा इन्फ्लुएंस है अलिफ का?
मैं बाकी किसी कैरेक्टर की तो बात नहीं कर सकती टू बी रियली ऑनेस्ट, लेकिन जो इम्पैक्ट हुस्न जहां ने मुझ पे छोड़ा है, आई थिंक इट्स अ लाइफ लॉन्ग इम्पैक्ट. क्योंकि I know it's gonna sound like a broken record, people keep hearing the same thing again and again, लेकिन जितना मैंने उससे सीखा है और जितना मैंने हुस्न जहां से रिलेट किया है, it's unreal. क्योंकि the way she understood life, the way she tried to find love and she tried to find the love of Allah through a person and then realized that actually, you know what, it's never through a person, it's always directly. I can really relate to that, and I just think that not just Husn Jahan, Momin's character, Dada's character, Pehlaj's, obviously, even the younger Momin's character, I think there's just so much to learn. And the way Umaira Ahmed's written this, I don't know how she does it. In all honesty, she's a magician. I don't know how she does it.
No, of course, I mean, she is. Everybody who's watching Alif and who's read Alif would obviously agree with you.
Exactly. Like, I used to actually read my lines, and I used to be like, how? Either cry or just sit there, like, think for hours and hours. You're like, that is true. So true. Like, that's what life is about, So, yeah, I mean, I think the entire script has had a great impact on me, and I think a lot of other people as well.
No, of course, we know that Hamza's gone on a different journey, or has decided to embark on a different journey. And you almost gave us a scare in your recent interview with Haroon. Shout out to Haroon, great guy.
Hey, Haroon.
You said that you might quit. Or you were thinking of quitting or something along those lines, और मुझे एक second को लगा कि हैं ये क्या scene है?
Okay, let me clarify this. Okay, So there was a point last year. There was two things I said about quitting. One thing was that there was a point last year that I thought I could have let go of everything altogether. But this was before Alif. Maybe middle of Alif actually. And then obviously I continued. But actually Alif played a part in my decision that I've chosen to be on this journey. And the journey doesn't mean कि मैं, Sufi हो गई हूँ या मैं hijab कर लूँगी or anything. The journey is more about making myself a better person than I was yesterday. That's what the journey is about. And I have just decided कि I don't want to do things that जो अल्लाह को खफा करें. To that extent कि मैं वापस ना आ सकूँ. मैं इतना deep किसी चीज़ में नहीं जाना चाहती कि वापस आने का रास्ता ही भूल जाऊँ मैं. That's my main thing. So what I actually said was I love my art. Like मुझे acting करना, I love it to bits because I learned so much. I mean, Alif is the biggest example of that. But if at any point in my life I feel कि I am deviating from my connection, then yes, I might quit completely. But as of now, no, I'm not quitting. I love what I do. So just to clarify, people, I'm not quitting. But yes, I'm trying to find my balance, and I will try to find my balance as much as I can through my work, because I have realized that you can't do that. You don't have to always do things that are in demand or are the norm of the industry. You can move away from the norm as well, and आप अपने तरीके से भी चल सकते हो. And that's what I learned from Alif as well. See how much impact it's had on me?
So, would you say that you'd be rethinking your decisions of signing projects, taking on projects of the sorts that you've done in the past?
Yeah, definitely. That's exactly what it is. Because now I want to focus on working. पहले भी I've tried my best to do things जो somewhat enlightened करें या impact करें या teach करें in some way or form हमारे अवाम को. लेकिन obviously I have failed several times as well. I've let myself down several times as well. लेकिन I think काफी time हो गया है कि मैं बहुत देख के projects कर रही हूँ. Since I think after Alif, I've decided कि I have to really.
ओहो, अगर JPNA 3 बनने वाली है तो अगर आपको ऑफर होती है तो आप करेंगी या नहीं?
You just put me on a spot. In all honesty, I can never say no to Nadeem भाई. लेकिन I don't think उसके अंदर कुछ वैसा होगा. मैं ये नहीं कह रही मैं सिर्फ अल्लाह वाले ड्रामे ही करूँगी. लेकिन बस कुछ चीजें हैं जो मुझे. The thing is, even हमारे art के अंदर, it's not everything that's bad, right? लेकिन there are some things जो industry की territory के साथ आती हैं. It's more about that. जो behind the camera चीजें होती हैं. It's more about that I want to correct in my life. I have, alhamdulillah, lakh shukr hai, कि there's so many things that I could have done wrong, and I've kind of deviated from that, and Allah Mia found me at the right time, I think. Bilkul right time. Like, it was more like that. So it's not just the acting, it's everything. It's your surrounding. It's what's happening around you at that time. So it's all of it together.
I think what was the cause of concern was that you said you're not in it for the longer run. तो वो होगी परेशानी कि वो लॉन्गर रन का मतलब ये तो नहीं है कि अच्छा 6 महीने और या अलिफ जब तक ऑन एयर है अगर कोई पैच वर्क अलिफ का रह गया तो वो खत्म करा
नहीं, I mean longer नहीं मैं
ये परेशानी होगी थी ना उस पे भी क्लैरिटी थोड़ी सी आप दे दें.
अच्छा, in short, I'm going to try to find my balance as much as I can. So मैं 2-3 साल के लिए तो हूँ यहाँ पे आराम से. I'm not saying कि मैं 40 साल की उम्र तक यहीं पे रहूंगी. मैं बस ये नहीं कह रही कि मैं I'm going to be acting at 40 as well. That's what I'm saying. कि I'm not going to do this for the rest of my life. And I don't think anybody is, to be really honest. I mean, at the end of the day, हमें कहीं ना कहीं अपना एक पाथ और भी ढूंढना पड़ता है. So I'm not doing this till I'm 40, but अगले 5 साल तक I think अगर अल्लाह ने चाहा तो, but then you never know with me. लेकिन अगर अल्लाह ने चाहा तो I'm here. So don't freak out, guys.
तो उसी बात पे any future projects that you've signed or in the process of signing that we should know about?
Yeah, that's exactly what it is. I have my signed projects. Actually, I'm inshallah going to be doing another script from Amera ji, which I can't talk about right now, but I will be doing that, and I'm doing the next Nadeem Biggs movie as well. So.
That's big news because nobody knows about that. So you're part of London नहीं जाऊँगा.
Yes, I am.
So tell us more about London नहीं जाऊँगा. Okay, just when I asked you कि JPNA 3 अगर आपको ऑफर होती है आप करेंगे या नहीं तब आपने नहीं बताया कि आपने तो ऑलरेडी साइन कर लिया लंदन नहीं
जाऊँगा. No, you just asked me कोई और प्रोजेक्ट साइन किया, so I thought क्या let you know now. Because JPNA I don't know कब बनेगी या नहीं बनेगी, and you never know शायद.
मेरा JPNA कहने का मकसद ये था कि one of your co-stars Hamza obviously you know, for him that's the point of reference when he says कि, you know, these are the kind of projects that I've done that I may not want to do in the future.
Yeah.
तो मैं वो समझना चाह रहा था कि आपका thought process भी क्या वही है कि आप इस तरह के, ये मैं कोई बुरा या अच्छा नहीं कह रहा, but these types of projects or these types of projects में से आप ये नहीं करेंगी तो ये करेंगी, ये नहीं करेंगी तो वो करेंगी. Just trying to
अच्छा,
understand.
I think what Hamza, I mean, obviously I don't know what his thought process was behind this, लेकिन what I feel is कि JPNA1 में when Hamza was there, obviously कुछ scenes थे ऐसे जिसपे Hamza is not proud. So I think that's what he meant, not overall the movie, because I don't think there was anything wrong in JPNA2, not because I was a part of it, लेकिन मुझे नहीं लगता उसमें ऐसा कुछ.
Even I was a part of JPNA too.
Exactly, even you were a part of JPNA2. So exactly, I don't think उसमें कुछ ऐसा था. लेकिन I think I understand Hamza's point of view. I think वो अपनी उस कुछ सीन्स के बारे में कह रहे थे, नॉट के ओवरऑल.
मुझे लगा शायद अलिफ का इतना इम्पैक्ट है आप सब लोगों के ऊपर जो उसका पार्ट है कि सारे कोई एक अलग जर्नी पे निकलना चाह रहे हैं. ये
कोई और भी निकल गया.
हमजा निकले हैं ना.
Oh, apart from that.
हमजा and then you and you never know. Maybe Sajjal also say something or Ahsan or Manzar साहब. और
मंजर
पिलाज
साहब-
young Pilad says tomorrow कि I want to.